to have a conference like this where you can hear different ideas from different parts of the world, different navies, different outlooks, different threats, different opportunities, and the sharing of ideas and hearing of different approaches to ship design, shipbuilding and operational concepts, it's been really interesting.
And so helping us talk together and build strategies together, A, it's more efficient, and B, it's more effective in moving forward together.
Having people from different navies around the world talking about the operations they're engaged in, talking about their thoughts for the future, it was also incredibly powerful because people do see things through a different prism.
When we came to these kind of conferences, we learned a lot from each other and from the experience, and also we have good contacts to solve some of our problems. We work in a common environment with more or less with the same problems, same challenge, in the different scales, but more or less the same things.
This conference gives us an opportunity to interact with the various navies and nations to get a better feel. It's an opportunity for us to get a message across to our customer navies or our potential customer navies about developments, relevant developments to them that take place within our company.
All of us consider the threat and how we're going to defend our nations, maritime nations, and how we develop navies to do that. Because ships take so long to build, you don't want to build something that is obsolete when it gets in the water.
The networking with different friends of the Navy and industry is extremely important to understand what others are doing and to be sure that you are in the right path